Good afternoon to one and all. Today we are discussing about a greedy knapsack problem by using greedy method. Okay, what is meant by greedy method? Greedy problem. Sorry, what is meant by greedy method? Greedy method means you are finding the optimal solution. That is, you are finding optimal solution without finding all feasible solutions. So, what is meant by knapsack problem? So in knapsack problem, suppose there are n objects, that is, there are n objects and one knapsack, that is, one knapsack with the capacity m. That is, knapsack means a bag with capacity m, and total number of objects you can place it is n objects. Suppose the object is placed in the object I has weight w of I, where I varies from 1 to n. That is, the object I means the object 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or n. That is, there are n objects. That is, there are n objects. So the weight of each object, that is, the weight of each object is w of I. So the problem is we have fill a bag with n objects. That is, we have fill with a bag with n objects, and resulting profit has maximum profit. Suppose you are placing one object in the knapsack, you get the profit P of I. Suppose the profit means, suppose P of I, that is, the P of I means, suppose the object I is placed in the knapsacks, the profit is P of I. Suppose the fraction of object is placed in the knapsack, that is, suppose here the object is placed in the knapsack, you are getting full profit, that is P of I. Suppose you are placing fraction of object, that is, the fraction of object in the knapsack, you are getting fraction of profit. So formally you can state, suppose the object is placed in the knapsack, you get maximum profit, that is, you get maximum profit, that is, maximize the x of I into p of I subjected to the sum of the objects is placed in the knapsack is m. That is, suppose you are placed objects, the sum of the weights of the objects is less than or equal to m, where m is the capacity of the bag. Suppose you are placed the objects, that is, you are placing the objects, you are get the maximum profit, that is, you can place, that is, you can place the objects, which objects you can place it in the knapsack, get the maximum profit, and sum of the objects is less than or equal to m. So in our problem, next problem, you can place also fraction of objects. Suppose in kirana shop or another shop, you are placed place, that is, place uh, one object or fraction of object, that is, suppose instead of 2 kgs you are placed 1 kgs. Same here, that is, here the fraction of object, you can also place a fraction of object, that is, you can also place a fraction of objects in the knapsack, that is, the fraction of object can be placed in the knapsack. Suppose the object weight is 2 kgs, you can place only 1 kg, that is off fraction. What is the fraction of object means zero point 0.5 object is can also placed in the knapsack. So there are so many ways to solve this problem. We have give feasible solution for which we are find optimal solutions. We have many feasible solutions. Suppose in 5 kgs pack, that is, in 5 kgs pack you can place different objects, that is, you can different object means 2 kgs sugar, 2 kgs onions, and next one is 1 kg another object. So suppose the weight of the bag is 5 kgs, suppose the weight of the object is 5 kgs, weight of the knapsack is capacity of the knapsack is 5 kgs, you can place different objects, that is, different objects based on the profit. Suppose the sugar get maximum profit, so we are placed 1 object, one object sugar, and next one is suppose tea, where another object. Suppose which objects is you placed, you get the maximum profit. So calculate which of the objects, that is, the which of the objects is placed in knapsack, you get the maximum profit, and sum of the objects is less than or equal to the capacity of the bag. So you can place also fraction of objects, that is, suppose you cannot place the total objects, you can place the fraction of objects. So by using knapsack problem, only one input is taken, one input is taken at a time. By using knapsack problem, it is, by using knapsack problem, sorry, by using greedy method, you find the optimal solution. That is, you find the optimal solution. In greedy method, only one input is taken at a time. First, you are taking one input it with highest profit and less weight. So first you find profit and weight rates of every object and sort according to disordering of the ratio. So select the object, that is select the object with highest ratio of P by W. So first you are calculating the P by W ratio. First you are calculating the P by W ratio and place the object which object has highest P by W ratio first. So less weight get maximum profit. That's why P by W ratio, it is P by W ratio. First you are select highest P by W ratio object first, whether highest and less than the capacity bag. So you place 1 unit of first object and decrement of capacity of the bag by the weight. So you place repeat the above steps until the capacity of the bag became less than or equal to weight of the object selected. So by using greedy method, that is by using greedy method, first we are select the object, that is select the object which object weight is, that is P by W is higher is first placed in knapsack. Next after placing the object, you must reduce the capacity of the bag. Suppose the capacity of the bag is M. Suppose you are placing the object I, so reduce the capacity of the bag, that is M minus W of I. It is the remaining capacity of the bag. So by using knapsack, by using greedy method, we are finding highest profit, or highest P of I by W of object is placed next. Next you are placed next to highest P of I by W of object in next. So for algorithm, it is in greedy method. Suppose the M is capacity of the bag and N is knapsack problem. N is total number of objects present in the objects. So P of I, it is P of I means the profits of each object. That is the profits of each object P1, P2, P3 up to Pn. So weight of each object is W of 1, W of 2, W3. So first you are finding the profits, that is the profits and weights ratio of n objects. So your order, that is reorder the objects, that is P of I by W of I is greater than or equal to P of I by P of I plus 1 is greater than P of I plus 1. So first you are finding P of I by W of I value, P of I by W of I value, and reorder the object, that is reorder the objects in the order highest P of I by W of I object is placed first. Next highest P of I by W of I object is placed next. So for I equal to 1 to n, first A of I equal to 0. So it is A of I equal to 0. First U equal to M. It is here U means unremained weight. That is at starting unremained weight equal to total capacity. U means the unremaining capacity of the knapsack. So first initially unremaining means the total capacity of the bag, remaining capacity be equal to the capacity of the knapsack. So first you are faced, if W of I is greater than U, then break. Suppose W of I is greater than break. So X of I equal to 1, U minus U W of I. That is W of I is greater than M, then break. So next calculate next objects. So for example, it is here same, the algorithm is implemented same, X of I equal to 1.0 and U equal to U minus 1. That is the remaining weight after placing the object. That is after placing the object, the remaining capacity is deducted from the capacity of the knapsack. Next, if I less than or equal to, and then X equal to U by W of I. So is the algorithm for it is the algorithm for knapsack problem by using greedy method. So here same capacity M equal to 20, total number of objects is 3, the weight of objects is 18, 15, 10, profit of each object is 25, 24, 15. Suppose the first object is placed in the knapsack, the profit is 25. The second object is placed in the knapsack, the profit is 25. And third object is placed in the knapsack, profit is 15. So you are here reorder the objects, that is the reorder the objects P of I by W of I. Calculate P of I by W of I for each object. For first object 25 by 15 1.6, for second object 25 by 14 1.6, and third one is 15 by 10, 1.5. That is reorder the objects. That is reorder the objects. Reorder the object. That is reorder the object with the maximum P of I by W of I object is placed in first. That is 1.6. And next one 1.5 second object and first object 1.6. So reorder the object here to 1.6. That is 1.6 means the second object is highest profit. So second object is reordered to first object 24, and next one is third object is 1.5. So second object is 15. Third object is 25. That is so reorder the object. That is reorder the object based on P of I by W of I value. It is 25, and next one is 15, 25. Actually in our problem, it is actually in our problem that is the order of profits and weights is 18, 15, 20. But here the reorder the object is order is 15, 10, and 18. This 18 and 15, 10, 18. So reorder the objects. That is same algorithm is implemented by using, that is the algorithm is implemented by using same example. Consider n equal to 3, m equal to 10, profits, calculate P of I by W of I value. It is 1.3, 1.6, 1.5. Reorder the object. That is reorder the objects 24, 15, 10. So first one x.1 equal to 0, x.2 equal to 0, x.3 equal to 0. That is in our algorithm. First we are implementing. So the algorithm implemented by using example P1, P2, P3, 25, 24, 25, 24, 15, W1, W2, W3 equal to 18, 15, 10. Find P of I by W of I value, P of I by W of I value, P2 by W2, P3 by W3, that is 1.3, 1.6, and 1.5. Reorder the object, that is reorder the objects in increasing order, that is increasing P of I by W of I, the decreasing order. First 1.6, that is 24. So P1 equal to 24, weight equal to, that is weight equal to uh, weight equal to 15. And next one P2 equal to, it is P2 equal to, P2 means 1.5, that is P2 equal to 15, W2 equal to 10, P3 equal to 25, next one W3 equal to 18. That is reorder the object, that is reorder the objects, reorder the objects. And next, so x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 0, u equal to 20, first 15 greater than 20. So 15 greater than 20, condition fail. So x1 equal to 1.0. Here 15 greater than 20. For example, 15 greater than 20. 15 greater than 20 means in previous slide, that is W of I 15 greater than 15 not greater than 20. So executing if statement, that is executing if statements, that equal to x1 equal to 1.5. So you are placing first object, that is full first object, that is 15 weight objects. So W equal to remaining weight, that is U means unremaining, unused weight is 20 minus 15, that is 20 minus 15, 5. So for iteration of second loop, that is W of 2 is greater than U, that is 10 greater than 5. So exit the loop, that is exit the loop. X of 2 equal to, that is x of 2 equal to 5 by 10, that equal to 1 by 2. So x3 equal to 0. So first one x1 equal to 1.0, x2 equal to 1 by 2, x3 equal to 0. By reordering the object, that is by reordering the object, that is x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 1, x3 equal to 1 by 2. Here means by reordering the object, that is the solution reorder, that is solution reorder means here x1 means 1.0, here x1 means 1.0 means here x1 means 15, x1 means p1 means 25. In our original problem p1 is in the place of 2, that's why x1 equal to x2 equal to 1. Same x3 equal to 1 by 2, x3 equal to 1 by 2, x3 equal to 1 by 2 means, suppose x2 equal to 1 by 2, x2 equal to 1 by 2 means in original problem, it is in original problem x2 equal to 15, that is x2 equal to 15 in second place. In original problem, x2 equal to 15 in third place. So here x3 equal to 1 by 2, x1 equal to 0. It is by placing the object, that is by placing the objects, maximum object is first, that is maximum profit P of I W object is placed first. So 15, remaining weight 5. The next to maximum profit P of I W is 15 by 10, weight is 10. You cannot place 10. So half of the object is placed, that is 5 by 10, 1 by 2. So you are placed, it is, you are placed fraction of object, it is, you are placed fraction of the objects. So in knapsack problem, it is, in knapsack problem, just where there are n objects, the maximum profit object is placed in first, the next maximum object, maximum profit is placed in next. So tomorrow you will discuss about it is, tomorrow you will discuss about job sequence with the deadlines. Okay.